Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. We have 2 pounds of stew meat here. We're going to transfer it over to our slow cooker. We're going to reduce our heat down to low. We're going to add another tablespoon of olive oil to our Dutch oven. Now we re-gone. Go ahead and turn our heat off, and we re-gone serve ourselves up a nice hot bowl of beef stew. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button below and let me know what you think in the comments section. I'll see you next time. Here's what mine looks like. It's nice, it's hot, and it's delicious. We're going to throw in a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 a teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 a teaspoon of rosemary, 1/4 a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 a cup of flour. Now we're just going to mix this around until our flour has been incorporated with all of our spices and our salt and pepper. This is going to be our rub. I'm just going to cube it up a little bit so it's easier to eat. Once it's boiling, now while that's cooking away, we're going to go ahead and prepare our potatoes. We have 8 ounces of baby gold potatoes here. I'm just going to cut them up into quarters. If you have larger potatoes, go ahead and cut them up into smaller pieces so they cook faster. We're going to throw those in and cook them for another hour or until they're tender. We re-gone reduce our heat down to a simmer, and we re-gone add a bay leaf. Now we're just going to let this simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. While we're waiting, we're going to peel and dice up 2 carrots, 1 celery stalk, and 1 onion. Once our sauce has thickened, we re-gone pour it over our beef, and then we re-gone throw in our carrots, our celery, and our onion. Then we're going to top it off with 2 cups of beef broth. We're going to throw about a tablespoon of olive oil in our Dutch oven. We're going to cook this on medium-high heat. Once your oil is nice and hot, we're going to throw in our beef and we're going to brown it on all sides. Now, if you don't have a Dutch oven, you can use a slow cooker. All you re-gone do is just skip this step right here and go ahead and throw it in the slow cooker with everything else. And it'll be just fine. But I like to brown my beef. It gives it a little more flavor. It's me. And today we're going to make a slow-cooked beef stew. This is an easy recipe that's perfect for a cold winter day. So let's get started. All right, guys, we're going to start by browning some beef. Once our beef has browned on all sides, we re-gone go ahead and take 1.5 cups of water and pour it in our Dutch oven and bring it to a boil. Now we re-gone put the lid on and we re-gone cook this on low for 6 to 8 hours or until our beef is very tender. This is what it should look like once it's finished cooking. Now, if you found this video helpful,